Now let's have some more problems on percentage, Vidya. All based on various concepts that we have discussed so far. Let's say in an examination, a candidate who secured 25% marks failed by 60 marks. But another candidate who secured 42% marks get 8 marks more than is necessary to pass. And you have to find number 1, the maximum marks, number 2, pass marks, number 3, pass percentage. So tell me, Vidya, which method you would prefer, step-by-step approach or direct method?
Direct. I mean the quickest.
Okay, very well. Then assume pass percentage as X% of maximum and let the passing marks be K. Now we can understand directly that 60 marks below passing marks K means 25% of maximum marks as well as 8 marks above passing marks K means 42% of maximum marks. Got it, Vidya?
Yes, a candidate who required 25% marks failed by 60 marks. That is, candidate is 60 marks below than the passing marks K, as well as candidate who secured 42% marks is 8 marks above than the passing marks K. I got it.
Very good, Vidya. Now we can directly visualize that there is a difference of 42 minus 25, that is 17 percentage point between two candidates, which is equal to the gap of 60 plus 8, that is 68 marks. So clearly 17% of maximum marks is equal to 68, or simply 17 by 100 into maximum marks equal to 68, or maximum marks equal to 68 into 100 upon 17, which is equal to 400. So Vidya, we got our first requirement, that is maximum marks. Can you find pass marks and pass percentage?
Yes, why not? A candidate getting 25% failed by 60 marks. So passing marks K must be equal to 25% of maximum, that is 25% of 400 plus 60, which is equal to 100 plus 60 or 160. And further, we can easily find pass percentage as pass marks upon maximum marks into 100, which is simply 160 upon 400 into 100 equals to 40%.
Vidya, you should try to solve such questions mentally. Take the logical approach. Don't try to use the formula directly, right? Okay then, now we will go to the next chapter, multiplying factor, in which concepts related to percentage play the key role. Keep learning, Vidya.